Today I tried drawing Gojo, but without his blindfolds. He looks even more intense. His eyes, why do they look like that? I wanted to keep this sketch simple, just graphite, nothing dramatic. But Gojo never looks simple, does he? He looks like he's about to fight someone. But who? Gojo's eyes are always the hardest part. They are too bright, too calm, and too dangerous at the same time. Why does it feel like he's staring at us? Gojo's hair is always has a aura, but shading it slowly looks so satisfying. I think his hair is glowing more than his eyes. I didn't plan to make this sketch this dark, but the more shadow I added, the more powerful he started to look. Is he activating infinity? This pose, two fingers up. This is the moment before he activates something. Drawing these hands took longer than I expected. Should not we step back a little just in case? done. I just need to add a few highlights. He turned out a lot more intense than I imagined. And this is the final Gojo sketch. That's all for today's sketch. Bending reality looks easy, but art always demands patience. If you like this moment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your opinion. And remember, true power is the one created in silence.